Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. Let's draw a beautiful sketch of nice hand. So first we're going to draw the outlines. You can draw like me. All right. Draw a straight line here, but it has a little bit curve. Then coming up like this. Okay. All right. The fingers is going to be like this. So little bit curve. Then a straight line here. Awesome. You can see the curve at the top, then another straight line here. All right, then it's like the repetitions of the same thing and the same type of parallel lines, but it becomes little smaller as it progresses to the left side. Okay, then the final and last one. Okay, all right, and the thumbs up, so the thumbs is on the other side, so we can see the partial view and the visualization is partial. Okay, and again we are drawing a curved line and connecting it at the bottom. Okay, now I'm covering for the a fully like this one, the clothes coming up to this one, so full sleeve dress. Okay, that's why we can see the wrinkles of the dress here, and also the other side you can see. Okay, and there's a butterfly which is flying over the hand, two antenna at the top, and you can see the curve of the wings of the butterfly, which is going to be a very nice looking curve. The wings is going to be very nice too. All right, okay, so this is the basic outline you can see here. Now I'm going to take the orange color to portray the hands very clearly and giving it a nice look. Okay, so for the basic shades, as you know, you're just putting the shades on the one side, and the shades become little deeper as we start from the border lines, and the shades becomes lighter as we move to the center. All right, so let's put the shades on the one side of the border, and then it's going to fade away as we move in toward the center. All right, then I'm going to color the next one, the finger. As you can see from the drawing, this is the folded one, so this is folded. The previous one was the half folded. Okay, and the next one, it's also a little smaller in size. All right, smaller in size, and you can see here. Okay, and moving to the next one, also putting the shades in a same kind and same types. Okay, and just putting the extensions along these lines of the clothings. Okay, For the thumbs, it's partially visible on the other side, but also have the same types of shading characteristics. Alright, so this is the primary label presentations for the hands. Now for the clothings, I'm just putting the purple color. Okay, along the left borders, you can see here. So actually the shades becomes more darker along the sides of the wrinkles. So the purple color is just presenting the nice dress, which is just coming up to the hands here. Okay, and I'm just putting the uniform shades for the whole dresses here, as you can see. Awesome. Now for the the butterfly, I'm just putting it here. Okay, and the pink color is for the butterfly, just radial distributions. Okay, also for the left wings, you can see here, so same color, and putting the shades, just one side is darker and another side is going to be lighter. Okay, all right. Now the light green color, so this is also going to be the darker in one side, and as it progresses, so it's going to be lighter. Awesome. The butterfly is already looking nice. Later we're going to use the regular sign pen just to just to present the central body in a more nice way. Let's take the red color and just drawing the central body here. Okay, awesome. So this is it, and the presentations you can see here looks nice. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on top. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.